Hello guys. I'm going to review Mkpro features and how it works. Mkpro has many features, but it's not making charts looks messy and gives you a clear signs on a clear chart. Let's check the setting. First option is show buy and sell, which we can enable or disable the alerts on chart. Second option is colored candle. When we activate it, the color of candles will change to red and green. The green candles show us that market technically going uptrend, and the red candles show us the market technically going downtrend. For example, we are in sell position here, candles are red till this part. And we got all take profits, and exactly as this candle it turns to green, this is the exact moment that we can close our position and waiting for the new signal to be generated. Third option is show support and resistance line. When we activate it, we can see exact support and resistance areas automatically. Support and resistance lines will appear in red and green colors. So what is the usage of these lines? Support is a price level where a downtrend can be expected to pause due to a concentration of demand or buying interest. As the price of assets or securities drops, demand for the shares increases, thus forming the support line. Meanwhile, resistance zones arise due to selling interest when prices have increased. Once an area or zone of support or resistance has been identified, those price levels can serve as potential entry or exit points. As a price reaches a point of support or resistance, it will do one of two things: bounce back away from the support or resistance level, or violate the price level and continue in its direction until it hits the next support or resistance level. The timing of some trades is based on the belief that support and resistance zones will not be broken. Whether the price is halted by the support or resistance level, or it breaks through, traders can bet on the direction and can quickly determine if they are correct. If the price moves in the wrong direction, the position can be closed at a small loss. If the price moves in the right direction, however, the move may be substantial. The last option is show strength. A filled candlestick with purple color means the closing price for the period was less than the opening price, hence, it is bearish and indicates selling pressure. Meanwhile, a dark green candlestick means that the closing price was greater than the opening price. This is bullish and shows buying pressure. Let's go back to the chart. Right here we have sell signal and it hit all three take profit levels. Mean you can save profit on each level which auto take profit generated. Here we have buy signal which is close to resistance line, mean we can do quick shot here, or we can wait and see if market will going to close the candle above of resistance line or not and then decide to enter. The red line is support line and the green line is resistance line. Mkpro draw these lines continuously and we can see which levels was support or resistance in the history of market. The panel here shows the exact prices of take profit levels which we can set it on our positions. When the box is blue it means the take profit has been touched and the remain take profit will be shown in red box. The position shows the current position which is running on the chart. Bullish and bearish sign here shows bullish and bearish of market, and the last box is RSI level of market. How to use RSI? RSI used in technical analysis that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock or other asset. An RSI reading of 30 or below indicates an oversold or undervalued condition which is good place to buy, and above 70 indicates an overbought or overvalued condition which is good place to sell. For example, here we are on sell position and second take profit touched. We have support line here and the candle closed above it, and we see bullish sign on the panel when shows the possibility of uptrend on chart. Now let's see what will happen next. Okay, we got buy signal. Our entry price is right next candle after signal's candle is closed. It means the buy or sell can appear or disappear and we have to wait for the candle close. Here we enter the market at 1802. First take profit, as we can see in panel, is 1804.413, which is touched, and the dark green candle appear which shows the bullish market is too much here. And also second take profit is 1808.018, which is touched too, and now the third take profit 1813.426. As you see, the price touched somewhere around 1831 and 1832, we went from 1802 to 1831. That's amazing. And now we got sell signal and entry price is 1825, here is our first support line here, let's see what will happen. Okay, 1823.591, our first take profit touched, and right after that purple colored candle appeared. It means the bearish power in this zone is too much. Market retested the price here, but as we got bearish candle it can go all the way down. Take profit touched exactly in one candle, 1819.940. And here we see our first support line. It means we can close our position right here, from 1823.591 to 1804, that's great.